Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify product feeds for affiliate offers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Search for the app you use for managing product feeds. Open the app to access its settings. Check if there are any notifications or issues reported with the feed. If errors are present, click on the notification for more details. Resolve any indicated problems, such as missing product information or incorrect configurations. Next, locate the option to regenerate or update the product feed. Initiate the process to regenerate the feed. After the feed is regenerated, review the output for any discrepancies. Ensure that all affiliate products are listed correctly with accurate pricing and descriptions. Once confirmed, navigate to your affiliate platform. Log into the affiliate dashboard to access product synchronization settings. Find the option to import or sync product feeds from Shopify. Enter the updated feed URL if required. Execute the synchronization process to update your affiliate offers. Wait for confirmation of a successful sync from the affiliate platform. To verify, check the listing of your affiliate products for accuracy. If any discrepancies remain, return to Shopify and address those specific products. Regularly monitor your product feeds to ensure ongoing accuracy. Keep documentation of changes made for future reference. Consider scheduling periodic reviews of your product feeds. This will help maintain alignment between Shopify and your affiliate offers. Ensure your settings within both platforms are optimized for performance. Stay updated with any new features or changes implemented by Shopify or your affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.